handshake, baby, I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they.
Hey guys, it's Candace The Grandest and I'm back with another video. Just because you're solo doesn't mean you can't have a great time. And while some might think that being single on Valentine's Day is the absolute worst, there are plenty things that you can do. Whether you're looking for something fun to do at home or the perfect way to spend a solo date out, I have lots of options to choose from. Be sure to also check out my 30 ways to celebrate Valentine's Day. I'll link that down below.
Wanna, get started with a handshake, baby, I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it.
So days leading up to Valentine's Day, I like to get in the festive mood by decorating my entire apartment in reds, pinks, and whites. I'll wear traditional Valentine's Day colors and socks, and I'll treat myself to getting my hair done, mani and pedi, and facial. And every year I look forward to making myself breakfast with lots of heart-shaped foods.
What's so good at doing? She needs love and what's so good at doing? She needs love and what's so good at doing? She needs love and what's so good at doing? She needs love and touch. Get me high like you do, yeah. I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do, yeah. I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do, yeah. I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go. So deep in the feelings, no saying you like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go ride, 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 and boot up. Da, 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 da. My heart go ride, 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 dee, da, da. It just won't stop, it go ride, 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 and boot up. Da, 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 da. My heart go ride, ride, dee, da, da. It just won't stop, it go.
So after a long afternoon of retail therapy and browsing the stores, I like to go home and unwind with a paint and sip. Watch a few romantic comedies or binge watch a really good series, followed by making dinner, taking a nice bubble bath, and making treats to satisfy my sweet tooth.
Take up some space. You're too far away. Make no mistake. I think you should stay. You'll get every little bit. You ain't never seen a trip like this. Heaven at your fingertips. Don't you let a minute slip. Just say you have me.
faces in the dream. It's magic when I taste you in the beam. Average day is spent all in the sheets. Emphatic when I tell you what you need. Demonstrate intimate memories. Every time I give you all my energy. Emphasis, never sleep. Never sleep. Say you have me. Oh, taste fantasy. Hope you don't sleep on me. I got credit and plenty.
As always, my loves, thank you so very much for tuning in. I hope you found this video inspirational and got lots of good tips on how you can celebrate as well. If you're new, please comment, like, and subscribe. I love you all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.